de recolección y cultivo del café también.
Claro.
We want you to help our hand as we are doing reforms to bring back the Coffee Research Foundation, and we can borrow some good lessons on your research capacity in this country. Again, I have listened with a lot of keen interest the good story of extension services. Again, that is an area that we are not doing very well, and we need to focus specifically on extension services for coffee as a crop on its own. Again, we would want you to help us on organizing a similar organization like your federation. Because in Kenya we have cooperative societies, many of them, and sometimes they pull from different directions. And therefore we don't have negotiating power. We don't benefit from economies of scale. We are amazed that you have been able to bring 540,000 coffee farmers under one federation. That is a lesson that we would want to learn from you.